I'll use binoculars. If birds land way out, I want to try to learn something in that situation. When I'm on the boat, if I see birds land or coming that I can't tell, you have to identify different ducks. You're allowed certain limits, like mallards right now where we are at, you can shoot 2. So you don't want to ever go over your limit with certain, species of ducks. So being able to have binoculars and really see what they are, and there's wing patterns, how they flutter, and the shape of the wings, and the color on their belly and stuff. There's all things that you'll learn as you go through this. Take a duck identification class. They have them all throughout the country. It's great knowledge. Dry lube. This has saved so many hunts for so many people. In cold weather, it doesn't freeze. You don't get any buildup on the bolt or bolt carrier. Your gun is slowing down if it's super cold out. You hit it with this and it still runs. You get dirt or mud in there, you clean it out, you hit it with dry lube. It's awful if you go out there and your gun jams and you can't use it and you can't get your limit and you spend all that money for, literally less than $10 investment and save your hunt or your friend's hunt, and then you're a hero.